Hello, welcome to my animal shop. Well, what animals do you have? Look, you dummy. Why are they all just stacked up on each other? They're sleeping. Oh. Let's see, which animal do I want? Ooh, a llama. Which one do I get? What is this? Woof woof. Oh, it's a dog.
2 hours later.
I know what animal I want. I know what animal. What the heck? I was sleeping. Why'd you do that? Oh, I know what animal I want. Okay, what do you want? The llama. Is it free? Whatever. Let's go, llama.